Hello friends, welcome to developersnation.co.in. I am Aman Gupta. Today we are going to learn how free VPN apps earn money from you. So, what is VPN? So, VPN you can call virtual private network which provide a secure and anonymous presence on the internet of you. So when you browse the internet without any interruption like blocked website or government tracking your data, which site you visited or which site you not, and your service providers also watch your browsing history or data, just like Google or your phone company track your personal details data, which things you like on web, watched, and like share on web. So when you use VPN, it will hide your identity on the internet. So basically, how is that work? So, virtual private network is just a network where your identity is hid from your service provider, governments, and also hackers. Hackers also can't see your ID like IP address, MAC address, etc. They can't track your behavior on any other website, just like Facebook and other social network and browsing sites. So our basic question is that how free VPNs app earn money. So basic first thing is ads where when you use their services or VPN, any free VPN, they show you some ads on their display on your browser, on any other way they can show you the ad or links to click on them. Or second thing is that they sell your data. Through selling your data, they can earn money from you. So basically, how that's work? When you use their services, any free VPN app when you're using, they track your data like what are you browsing, what are you searching on Google, or any other thing, what post you liked, what post you seeing mostly, what post you shared with your friends. That's detail is very informative to large advertising in agencies like AdWords or any other big, just like Amazon, who sell you the products through advertising. They advertise their product to you through basis your data, private browsing data. So this is how free VPN apps earn money. So which is better to use, free VPN or paid VPN? So I am suggest you guys, if you really want to secure on on your internet, or really want to hide your identity on the internet, and you don't want to sell your private data on any other advertising agency, so you can use paid or subscription of any VPN which is provided, just like NordVPN. NordVPN give you the minimum 2-year subscription, which is very useful. I am personally use this when I'm if you want to be anonymous on internet and hide your identity and be secure. At the same time, you can use NordVPN. It will give you your own privacy on the internet, which most businessmen just like Bill Gates or any other big tech industries use their services. They have more than 52,000 VPN servers around 49 countries, guys. So this is large number. People use their services worldwide, and they have user friendly application for each operating system. So this is very big advantage when you use NordVPN subscription. So this is how free VPN apps or service providers earn money, guys. Thank you for listening, and subscribe my channel or podcast to listen more interesting podcast and videos. For watching, guys. Thank you all.